So welcome to another episode of Money Horn. So today I'm going to show you how to make $10 every 20 minutes easy as a beginner to make money online in this video. So stay with me till the end. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process how you can easily find simple works and test it out online, and you will make money online. And every 20 minutes you can make like $10, and that is a reality. So without wasting any more of time, I'm going to show you how the process works. So we first go over to the Google. So we are in the google.com. So if I just go over to the search sections and write like something like try my UI test, this is the search term. So I search it on, and you can see that it search it like try my UI test, and it comes up with a website with the same name, TryMyUI.com. So this is the site we're talking about. So we are going to the site. So clicking in it, it's open the site, which is TryMyUI.com. Is a user experience site that people's all over the world, companies all over the world, having website, having apps, they want to test it out before they launched it, so that they can fix their bugs, they can develop it so that they can make more good user experience, and that is definitely a good for any business to run. So when user good experience is good, you will make prosper, you will make profit, you will make more customers, and you will make more sales. That's an easy way to make any business popular and profitable. So this is it, guys. Companies all over the world are asking for this type of works, and here in TryMyUI.com you can work as a tester and as a user for those apps and website, and you can earn money for completing those simple tasks. It's easy. So you just go over to the TryMyUI.com. You can see that this is a really solid website, and it's a good, solid, trusted website with transparency. You will definitely get paid from this website without any problem, and you can even ask for like testing works here. So simply just go over there, and you can watch out in the menu sections. You can see that there's get paid to test options. As we are not working here, we want to work here, we do not want to provide work here. So if you want, you can do that as well. So we are clicking on get paid to test this section. So this page will show up when we click on get paid to test, and this is the sign up page for worker applications to as a tester on TryMyUI tester. So get paid to use websites and apps and give your honest feedback according to them. So at TryMyUI, they help make the web easier for everyone to use by letting designers and coders see the obstacles that real people run into on their sites and apps. And all you have to do is, as a tester, be yourself, use the test website exactly as you would in a real life situations, and voice your thoughts. That is the very important thing. You need to have a microphone, and you have to have a webcam, so that they can record your voice, your opinions real time, and your everything, your reaction, your output, your everything in real time, so that the developers understand your experience much better and realistic way. It's not a fake thing. So simply what you will get for that, you will be paid $10 for each test you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. So this is it, guys. In 20 minutes every test can pay you $10 without any problem. And sign up now, it's the open process. So simply just go over this form, fill up, simply insert your name, full name, your PayPal. They are going to pay you by PayPal as well. So you have to pay, you have to insert your PayPal email address and your password, and fill the captcha and hit submit, and boom, you are good to go, and you are signed up. And if they will ask you for email confirmation, and do that, and they will definitely give you more testing opportunities. But the thing is, if you live in a tier 1 countries like USA, Canada, Australia, UK, New Zealand, and something like these type of countries are the biggest tester world. They are targeting these companies all over the world, targeting these type of tier 1 countries peoples to get more realistic user experience, and they value them more. So that is the important thing. That is the thing, is it's not like working worldwide, but if you live in those countries, then you are very much lucky to work with this. And right away when you sign up, after you sign up, you will get lots of testing jobs right in front of you. You just simply go on, choose anything you like. You may have an Android phone, you may have a desktop PC, you may have Apple iPhone, anything you want, you have it will, the test will available there. You just choose your device and start going on and test the sites, test the apps, and express your honest opinion on those. And it's just for 15 to 20 minutes of work, you will get $10. So reaching out like $100 per day is a very easy way. And if you reach $100, you can make like $3,000 every month without any problem from this type of site. So these types of sites provide works on daily basis, and it will be lots of projects available, lots of tests available if you live in a tier 1 country. So that is very important thing is to do. So simply just go on and sign up there and go on and work as a tester, and you will work. You do not need any requirement, you do not need to have any money, you do not need to invest any money, you do not need to invest any skills, you don't have to have any skills, you don't have to do anything. Just simply open your webcam on, just plugged in your microphone and browse those website and apps, and just say your honest opinions and record your videos. They will see it, how you react, what you say, what is the problem you're facing with those apps or websites, and just express your honest opinion. That's what counts it, and that's what companies want, and companies want to pay for that as well. So this is a really good way to earn a good handsome amount of money every day and every month, year after year, month after month. You can do it part-time, and it will get you generate you a handsome amount of pocket money without any problem. So if you're liking this video, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.